Hey garden bloomers, welcome back to my channel. This video is a little different because today I'm not just talking about what to plant. I'm talking about why it matters, especially as we get older. Someone recently asked me, why are you so into gardening at this stage of your life? Isn't it too much? And I'm realizing that some people don't understand what gardening really gives you. Question one, isn't it too messy? Yes, gardening is messy, but it's the kind of mess that connects you back to something real. We spend so much time in clean, controlled spaces, and gardening reminds you that life grows from the soil, the smell of the soil, the feel of the soil. All of that is good for you. It's the good kind of mess to get into, gardening mess. So, to answer the question, yes, it's messy, but again, I say gardening is a good kind of mess to get into. So, question number two, isn't it too hard on your body? Yes, it's physical. So, yes, it can be hard on your body. But here's the difference you move at your own pace. You can sit, kneel, use raised beds, work for shorter periods. And in many ways, it keeps you moving. And that matters more as we age. What do you get out of it is question three. Let me tell you what I get out of it. Benefits, real nice benefits, peace of mind, stress relief, time away from noise and distractions, a sense of purpose, something to nurture, something that grows because you showed up. That does something to you. It definitely does. And so to answer that question, there's so many answers to it. There's so many benefits to gardening, and that's why I do it. So, question four, plants grow everywhere. So, what's the big deal? Yes, that is true. But tending to your own garden, that is intentional. You choose what grows, you care for it, you watch it change. That right there is the big deal. Question five, why are you so enthusiastic about it? Because it gives back. It's not just planting something, it's harvesting it, using it, sharing it, eating it. And that's whether that's herbs, flowers, or food. And when you grow something you can actually use, there's a different kind of satisfaction that comes with that. And question six, why not plant in pots only and not the ground? Well, there are plants that thrive much better in the ground than in pots, but you can do both. Actually, container planting is indeed a thing, and you can choose to do that. And then that's fine if you do. Question number seven, is it really that beneficial? Yes, it is. Gardening can support your mental well being, your physical movement, your sense of routine, your connection to nature, even how you eat and care for yourself. And at this stage of life, those things actually matter. So it is indeed really that beneficial. So for me, gardening is more than a hobby. Okay. It's peace, it's creativity, it's healing, it's therapy, and it's something I can continue to grow with. Okay. So if you have ever wondered whether gardening is worth it, maybe the better question is, what could it add to your life? And if you already garden, you already know. And after everything I've experienced in life, this is the one thing that brings me peace: gardening. Yes, gardening does that for me. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.